How to fix app icons not turning dark in dark mode in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and then press and hold on this brightness icon. Now here you can turn on your dark mode. After turn on your dark mode, it will not turn on your dark mode on your apps. And if you want to fix app icons turn dark mode, then simply press and hold on your blank place of your screen and then click on edit. Now click on customize. Now then click on dark. Now here you can see if I select dark, then my app icon turn on dark mode. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.